With newfound strength, the turtle lifts an ancient spear, its heart racing with both excitement and determination, while the fox stands back anxiously watching as its friend prepares for the inevitable showdown. With unwavering confidence, the turtle steps forward, wielding the spear facing the crocodile head-on, while the predator pauses, taken aback by this unexpected display of courage. With a deep breath, the turtle lunges forward, spear aimed at the crocodile, ready to protect its friend, while the fox cheers on from a safe distance filled with pride and admiration.